I was doing my morning skincare routine and I realized I've never talked about the product that I've actually used the longest. I talk a lot about retinols, growth factors, great eye creams, but something as simple as a face cream. But I realized I've used this for 5 years. I've tried other ones, I've dabbled, and I've always gone back, and it's because it's amazing. This is the Epionce Facial Renewal Cream. This is an all botanical based line, so it's great for sensitive skin. Yeah, you can see I'm almost down. I'm going to buy another one. And yeah, this is not sponsored. For 5 years, I've been rebuying this Epionce cream. Although it is a botanical based line, the doctor who created this line still did research on it. He did 6 years of research and then formulated this, did clinical trials, so it's a well tested product. The beauty filter is off, and I wanted to test it on my skin so you guys can see. When I say this face cream feels like it penetrates the skin, I mean, look at this. It's not heavy, it's not greasy, but it just is so good. Link is in the bio. Try it if you need a new face cream.
Okay, besties, I need to put you on this moisturizer. I've been using it for over 5+ years. It is a game changer in your skincare routine. I am a licensed esthetician, and like I said, I've been using this specific product for over 5+ years. Let's talk about it. Okay, so the product is called Renewal Facial Cream by Epionce. Epionce is a botanical based line. It is barrier based, so it focuses on keeping your barrier healthy. It is one of my favorite lines and one of my favorite products. So when it comes to Renewal Facial Cream, they have different kinds of levels for moisturizers. I am a sensitive prone, rosacea prone girly. And so I need that extra moisture, especially in my barrier. So when it comes to Renewal Facial Cream, it is a more thicker based moisturizer for all my, like I said, dry, sensitive girlies. So like I was saying, Epionce is a barrier first company. So what that means is they're using restorative botanical ingredients to help maintain a healthy barrier in your skin. A lot of the times products can strip your barrier, which leads to skin conditions. And like I've said, I'm rosacea prone and sensitive prone. So the Renewal Facial Cream helps balance that out for me. So I'm maintaining healthy skin. One of my favorite things about Epionce is they do not contain harsh ingredients that irritate the skin or cause unnecessary dryness, because why are you using a product that's going to continue to strip your barrier? So that's why I truly believe in the Epionce product. And like I said, I've been using it for a while now, and I truly feel like it is a game changer in my skincare regimen. So if you're looking for a product to help restore and keep your barrier healthy, definitely try one of Epionce's Renewal moisturizers. I feel like they are absolutely the route to go to help maintain healthy, youthful looking skin.